my name is Ariana from Mobility Plus North Scottsdale. Thank you for purchasing the GoGo Elite Traveler 3-wheel. In this video today, I will be showing you how to charge your scooter. So with your purchase, you should have received this charger, and on one end of the charger, we have a 3-pronged plug that will plug directly into the scooter. And then on the other end, we have a 3-pronged plug that will plug directly into your wall outlet, and this is just a standard everyday outlet. So first we're going to take our scooter end and we're going to plug it right into the side here. Next, you're just going to take the outlet end and plug this directly into your outlet. Another thing to note about your charger is that you can also plug it in directly into the battery box if you don't want to bring in your whole scooter into your home or whatever space you're going into. You can leave the scooter and pull out the battery box, and this plug will plug in directly into it. Something that's important to note about your scooter is your charging box. So on the top here we have a red light, and this just basically means that there's power going into the charging box. So we want this to be lit. The bottom light is either going to be red, blinking green, or solid green. If it's red, it means it needs a charge. If it's green, it means it's fully charged and ready to go. And if it's blinking green, that means it's doing a trickle charge. And a trickle charge just means it needs a little bit of topping off as far as energy goes. Lastly, it's important to note that you should not leave your scooter charging for more than overnight. This can expand the battery and cause a lot of problems and damage to the batteries, causing you to have to replace them more regularly. So just make sure that you charge your scooter only overnight, no longer, and unplug it in the morning, and you should be ready to go. We also recommend that you do this just once a week. If you use your scooter more often and it needs a charge, feel free to charge more than once a week. But if you are just letting your scooter sit or you haven't used it in a couple days, remember to charge it at least once a week overnight and no longer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your scooter.